Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Today we want to continue from where we stopped on advanced method of filtering. Now, if you look at the last video, we made use of the advanced method to filter a table, and we pasted our results on the same sheet. Now, today we want to look at how we can paste our results on another sheet. Now, if you are yet to watch that video, please try and watch the video first before watching this. It will help your learning. Now, to locate advanced feature in Microsoft Excel, you will see it under your data tab. This is it. Now, the first thing you have to do is to first create a new sheet. So let me create a new sheet. Good. Now let's start. Then I will click my advanced feature. Let me click. Now, list range. Remember I said the list range will be your table. So I will click this arrow and reference this sheet. This is where I have my table. So I will select my table and hit my enter. Now, criteria range. Of course, criteria range will be what? A column J, which is customer rating, right? The customer rating column. And the criteria will be less than 5, the customer rating. So I will click this arrow and reference this sheet again. Select, enter. Now copy to another location. Now remember the other one, we pasted it on the same sheet. Now another sheet. Now I will click here, then I will click my arrow. So I want to paste it here. I'll click, I'll hit my enter. So the next thing is I will press my OK. So now I've pasted it on another sheet. Now I can have insight to the customer rating. And if you look at the column E, if you look at the criteria, greater than 5. And if you look at row 10, this one is greater than 5. Ivory Coast, Wale Babatunde. And you also look at row 20, Mensa Michael, is also greater than 5. So you look at your results, the same customer name. I hope you've learned something again today. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.